Hi there! Today we are going to make a peacock. Well then, let's see what do we have in our book. We see a very interesting figure right here. Also, we have a drawn peacock in front of us. So, let's start tracing on top of it at first. We will make sure that we go right on top of the printed part and start making this. Yes, this is just the skeleton of our peacock. Continue making on top of the light part at first. You can also start adding the details if you wish to. Go very slow while making it. Make these parts as symmetrical as possible. Make use of a letter W or U to make this design. This looks very interesting. Make the eyes slowly and properly. That's amazing. The next thing we do is start by coloring this with a pencil crayon. At first, we will do this part's outline with the help of a blue color. Always remember to apply pressure whenever you require a dark color and release the pressure whenever you require a light shade. For example, here we require a dark shade, hence we are going to press the color. And here we are going to require a lighter shade, hence we will release the pressure from the color and start coloring slowly and nicely. Continue coloring lightly over here. And as and when you start going towards the border of the peacock, you have to make it a little darker. Something like this. Looks very interesting, isn't it? Take another shade of blue and start coloring here. Create beautiful patterns in your peacock. That's lovely to watch. Let's color this nicely and make sure that you do not go out of your pencil marks. Let's make this intricate textured detailing near the neck. We can use the letter W or U to make this. And then give it a little bit of a purple shade. After that, blend this area with green color. And then slightly start making this line in the middle near the feathers. Once we are done with that, we will start making red colored dots around the feathers. Complete making the dots at great distance. Once we are done with that, give it a little bit of an outline with the help of your blue, purple or violet color. And then give it a beautiful outline with the help of yellow color. Yes, we will be making a circular outline for this one. Let's make these lines and connect the dots together. It is going to make our feathers look uniformed. That looks lovely. We will start by coloring this now. Let's take a light green color and start by coloring only in one direction. Also, we need to give this a feather-like structure or feather-like texture. Hence, we will be making smaller lines and trying to create that texture. Try and color only in one direction and let the top part be a little lighter green. Release the pressure from the color and color lightly at the bottom. And after that, change your color to a dark green color. If you notice, we are making the outline of the feather a little rough, so that it looks like the feathers are coming out. Release the pressure and color lightly inside. Yes, at first we will color this lightly. And then we will start making this beautiful feather texture inside a little darker. Continue creating this texture here. That looks very interesting. This looks amazing. Let's try and make these textured lines on top of the light green as well with the help of our dark color. Give it a nice finishing touch up now. That's amazing. Again, give this a beautiful texture here. That's lovely. The next thing we do is start by making this beautiful design inside with the help of a violet color. Erase the parts here so that you can directly make it with your pencil. Yes, the pencil colors. Make the design darker while drawing it and then color it lightly by releasing the pressure. Let's make the next design now. But this time it is going to be a little bigger than the one before. Continue making it like this. That's great. Finally, let's take red color and do the end part. Complete the entire design and then start coloring inside. Well, even if you don't color inside completely, that's alright, as we need to make a beautiful design right here. Can we make the designs with sleeping lines? Well, that would be lovely. Continue making these lines properly. Yes, make it symmetrical if possible. Complete making these lines in a similar way. This looks great. Finally, let's take red color and color right inside this. Go very slow while coloring this and give it a beautiful shade with the help of magenta or maroon color and red color. This looks great, isn't it? Now only the final finishing touch-ups are left. So let's take our pencil and start making this line right here. And after that, we will be making standing lines inside. Can we make it slowly and nicely? That'll be lovely. Continue making it for the other leg as well. Yes, we also need to make its nails. Once we are done with that, let's take yellow color and color right on top. Let's use this color and color slowly inside the leg. This looks amazing, isn't it? We will also take blue color and make the top part. Make the beak slowly and nicely and make the eye as well. Let's make the nails. And look, our peacock is ready.